Welcome to Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. This is one of Disney's 5 value resorts. The All-Star Resorts include movies, music, and sports. At All-Star Movies, you're invited to explore some of the classic films remembered today. The red carpet welcomes you as you step into the lobby, also known as Cinema Hall. There's even a mini theater to the side where the kids can wait for their parents to check in. Cinema Hall is also where you can find the gift shop, arcade, and food court. The rooms have all been recently refurbished to sleep up to 4 guests with 1 child under age 3. The rooms have 1 queen and 1 queen-size table bed or a king bed. There's a coffee bar area with a coffee machine, cups, lids, coffee, creamer, sugar, and a mini fridge. In the room, you'll also find an in-room safe, telephone with voicemail, iron and ironing board, hairdryer, and free Wi-Fi. Check out the spacing under the beds where you can store your luggage. The bathrooms have 2 sliding doors, lots of storage, and of course the famous Disney soap, shampoo, conditioner, all the amenities you'll need. Check out how easy it is to fold down the table bed. Let's return to the world premiere food court. This is where you can grab a quick service breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. Currently, mobile ordering is available. You can also grab a refillable mug to be used at the resorts only for your length of stay. There's a condiment bar and a community microwave that can be used. Donald's Double Feature Gift Shop is where you can shop till you drop. You can also pick up necessities such as sunscreen, bandages, or swim diapers if you've forgotten to pack them. All-Star Movies is a great option for families looking to stay on a budget but still enjoy the convenience and magic of staying on property. This resort has 5 different themed areas. When you book a preferred room, you will be closest to Cinema Hall, the main Fantasia pool, and transportation. These are the Toy Story, 101 Dalmatians, and Fantasia-themed areas of the resort. The standard rooms are located in the Love Bug and Mighty Ducks sections. If you plan to take a day or 2 off from the parks, there's still plenty to do at the resort. Check out the resort's recreation activity schedule. You can find arts and crafts, movies under the stars, poolside games, trivia, and much more. Thanks for watching. When you're ready to book, contact me, Christy Buddha at You Can Dream It Travel. My planning services are complimentary to you when you book with me.